and it all starts here. Concentrate from Atlanta, sweetener from Florida and Iowa, water purified beyond belief. 45 minutes of blending, and the syrup is born. Not yet Coca-Cola, but getting closer. 1 part syrup, 5 parts carbonated water. 150 cans per minute. Each one filled, sealed, and tested in the time it took you to blink. From liquid to legend in seconds. 6-packs become trays, trays become pallets. 2,304 cans per pallet. And when the green light flashes, it means the lab has spoken. Batch 447 is certified, ready for the world. From fields to factory to your glass. Watch the full journey now. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns. Florida, the Everglades. Before the fizz, before the red label, before the global brand, there is cane, one of the essential ingredients in every single bottle of Coca-Cola made in America. 20 tons per load. Each stalk cut, chopped, and cleaned in seconds. What leaves this field is not cane, it's raw material for the sweetener that defines America's favorite soda. Atlanta, the vault, the secret. This is where concentrate is born. The proprietary 2 drums of concentrate make 50,000 liters of Coca-Cola. Every drop of Coke in America starts here, in this building, under this secrecy. From Atlanta, it travels to bottlers across the nation. 3 streams, 1 destination. Sugar from Florida, corn syrup from the Midwest, concentrate from Atlanta, all converging on Charlotte, North Carolina, home to America's largest Coca-Cola bottling facility. The journey has begun. I-85 North. Marcus has made this run 400 times. In his trailer, the soul of Coca-Cola. 2 drums of concentrate, enough for 50,000 liters. Value, incalculable. Security, absolute. CSX 472 Sugar Train. 200 tons of refined cane sugar, harvested in Florida, milled in Clewiston. The Mississippi, America's liquid highway. A barge of corn syrup from Iowa, pushed by a 1,000-ton tow bike, slow down by a Robotic Filling of 70 trucks. Bay 7, concentrate receiving, the most valuable delivery of the day. Behind that door, a team waits to receive it, to verify, to Charlotte, North Carolina, the largest Coca-Cola bottling facility in America. Over 1 billion liters produced here every year. Behind these walls, sugar from Florida, corn syrup from Iowa, and concentrate from Atlanta become the world's most recognized beverage. And from Atlanta to Charlotte, secure and sealed, the concentrate arrives, the soul of Coca-Cola. Every drum tracked, every seal verified, every hand that touches it logged. This is not just cargo, it's the family recipe.
39.8 life one.
Every batch sampled, every seal verified. The concentrate is handled with the care it deserves. Ready for the transfer.
Sending the sample now. Okay, proceed with the drum. Weight verified. Documentation complete.
The concentrate rests, chilled, secure, waiting. Beyond that door, the syrup room hums with activity. Here, concentrate will meet sweetener and water, becoming the syrup that defines Coca-Cola. But first, the lab must speak. The HPLC separates every compound, measures every molecule. The concentrate is exactly what it claims to be.
Sarah, that's the to the sem for waiting to run.
Now it can move from hullage to the syrup room.
Logging drums. Releasing to production. This one first.
On it. From receiving to production, a journey of 50 meters, but a world of difference. Beyond this door, the syrup room, the heart of Coca-Cola production. Here, in spotless stainless steel, the secret formula comes together.
Every surface polished, every connection sterile. Contamination is not an option. James placed in a sterile hose.
250 kilograms of concentrate is transferred with precision. The soul Coca-Cola rests in the blank.
66.5 degrees bricks, within specification.
The syrup is nearly complete. Only water remains. Water, the invisible ingredient, the silent majority. Over 90% of every can of Coca-Cola. But not just any water. This water's been filtered, sterilized.
100 ml.
Concentrate sweetener water before yourself at Minatikavalil. Underneath this is some minutes. 23 minutes remaining. The syrup blends slowly, patiently. Rushing would create bubbles, incorporate air, ruin the texture. Coca-Cola is not made in a hurry, it's made with precision. Time is an ingredient too. 45 minutes complete. The syrup is ready, but not yet trusted. David draws a sample, the first of many tests. His eyes judge color and clarity, but instruments will judge what eyes cannot see. 66.5 bricks exactly on spec. pH 2.8 with run range. Here the syrup rests, cool, still, waiting. In these tanks, it can hold for days, even weeks without losing quality. But it won't wait long. Beyond that window, the lab has spoken. Batch 447 is perfect. The syrup is released, free to flow from holding tanks to the proportioner, where its final transformation begins. Deaerated, purified, prepared. The water meets CO2, 4 volumes of pressure, billions of bubbles. Carbonated water is born, ready to meet its partner, syrup. 1 part syrup, 5 parts carbonated water. The proportioner never varies, never hesitates. What emerges is no longer syrup and water, it's Coca-Cola, the real thing, ready for the world.
The
liquid is perfect. Now, it needs a home. 150 cans per minute on each of 4 lines, 600 cans per second across the facility, each one filled in a fraction of a second, precisely, perfectly, consistently. The lid is crimped, the seal is tested. Inside, the liquid is safe, protected from air, from light, from time. This can will travel thousands of miles waiting patiently for its moment. The real thing, ready for the real world. 2,800,000 cans and counting. Each one identical, each one perfect, each one about to meet its partners in the iconic 6-pack, 12-pack, or 24-pack. 12 lanes, 6 cans per pack, 1,500 cans per minute. Pneumatic gates count them, group them, send them forward. In the time it took you to blink, 240 cans were organized into 40 perfect 6-packs. Cardboard and adhesive, precision and speed. 6 cans become a pack. Ready for the shelf, ready for the cooler, ready for the customer. Every pack inspected, every flaw rejected. Only perfect packs proceed. Trays form, packs load, displays build. 24 cans per tray, ready for the warehouse club, the grocery aisle, the big box store. Efficiency at scale, precision at speed. Resting now, but not for long. Orders are coming in from Atlanta, from Miami, from Charlotte itself. Soon, this pallet will move again, toward the loading bays, toward trucks, toward the millions of thirsty customers waiting for that first sip. Beyond the noise of production, behind sealed doors, another world exists. Not of speed, but of proof. This is where science validates what industry creates. Every hour, every line, every shift, random samples pulled from production. Not the best, not the worst, but a true representation. Science demands honesty. The seam must hold, against pressure, against impact, against time. 355 milliliters liquid, 4 volumes of CO2 pressure fighting to escape. This can will hold. Carbonation signature fizz. 4.02 volumes. Any more and it's whack. A less can is exactly right. Color matters, not just for looks, for consistency. Every can of Coca-Cola should look exactly like every other. 99.2% match.
The human eye wouldn't notice, but the machine does. Perfect. Here's the Coca-Cola sample for the batch test.
Thanks. I'll filter it now.
48 hours at body temperature.
Library patates is required.
Clean, sterile, safe. No bacteria, no mold, no pathogens. The Coca-Cola is not just delicious, it's pure. Microbiologically approved, ready for the world.
Excellent. I'll file it.
This is Dr. Martinez. Batch 447 is certified. Release for distribution.
Certified.
All passed?
Approved, released, the lab has spoken, and the batch is free. Free to leave the factory, free to quench thirst across America.
All allocated.
24 pallets, 6 destinations. The system knows where each one lives and where each one must go. Staging area, where orders assemble before loading. 8 pallets for Atlanta, 6 for Miami, 4 for Nashville. Each pallet in its lane, each lane waiting for its truck. The warehouse hums with purpose.
Another one gone? Pretty. Another one gone? Atlanta, Miami, Nashville, all on their way. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola, the real thing from start to finish, right here in America.